Okay, folks, as you can see, we have some flooring that's going down inside the cabin. This is Sassafras. Beautiful grain to it. Actually, was cheaper than oak. Most people know sassafras as a small tree, but this came from a sawmill on the edge of Tennessee, and sassafras actually grows to a decent size up there. But you can see the grain of the wood is absolutely beautiful. And he's got about 3/4 of it done. There's a pine subfloor. You can see we got some cracks in that. But again, this is just a cabin to stay in, a hunting cabin, hunting shack. But sassafras flooring didn't cost us but $1.50 a board foot. And that was tongue and groove, kiln dried, and everything. So he's having some issues with it, getting it exactly down because our subfloor is not quite even. Some of the subfloor boards are thicker than others, and so we expected some issues, and we've got them, but just pretty pleased with the look of the floor, even though there's some areas that he just couldn't, like right here, he just couldn't get it together right there. But that's not a big deal to us anyway, so real pleased with it. So he's gonna come back and finish this. This was most of a day's work to get it to this point. And he's putting it in as flush as he can along the edges because we're not sure if we're gonna put some trim around the edge or not. We may just leave it like it is. So, just wanted to show a few other things. I guess I'll just show you the entire inside of the cabin. These are the poplar logs. They go up about 8 feet. Well, 8 logs. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there's 8 logs there. And there's 2-inch spacers between each log. And then we've got that's 1x12 pine boards up there for the roof decking. And then we've got 4x6 oak beams holding up the roof. And then we've got, of course, the poplar siding on the outside. I don't think we're going to finish that inside. I think we're going to leave it raw. And then we've got our loft here. Some space out there. We still got a chink in between the logs, so that's got it. I'll be doing a video on that. But anyway, the floor is mainly what I want to show you in here, and we're real pleased with it. So stay tuned for more cabin videos.